RWB here. 400R. Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to Daikoku. This is the official New Year's meet. It is crazy busy. This is our second time actually pulling up with the S660. We finally got a parking spot this time, so we're gonna walk through. I don't even know where we're gonna start. There's things everywhere, but we're gonna walk through, see what we can see. Let's go check it out. Start off with the JDM right in front of us. Got the 260 RS Autech Stagia. That's got the RB26 Skyline GTR engine in it. Sounds amazing. We actually go behind this guy for a bit. Got the Toyota Celica 2000 GT there. And we've got some more Stages actually too. Very nice. Whole gang. Sick. Escort RS Cosworth. Being called over by YYZ Curator though. What does he see? Oh, the Midnight Club RS. Very nice. So yeah, the Midnight Street Racing Club. Very infamous. This guy, official member. And it's decked out. Full cup build. Got the cup wing on it. Sounds crazy. Sick. That little Midnight sticker on the front. You cannot have those stickers unless you're an official member. So get the window banner too. Sick. All these different R32s. My favorite in Trial Sports. The standard classic look with silver with the BBS. Midnight purple. Check it out. It's like Millennium Jade here almost. I think it is Millennium Jade actually. More of an R34 color. It's good on the R32 though. No shortage of interesting stuff in this row here. You've got the black Countach over there. Over here, we get the Ultraviolet GT3 RS, Nismo GTR. We've got the wild-looking Ultima Coupe. Looks like a Le Mans prototype basically, but super light kit car. A few different engines you can get in it, so I'm not sure what this one has, but yeah, it's crazy. It looks like a little Le Mans car for the road, and it must be a blast to drive. The 599 back there, RWB, and we've got the Amnesia Lamborghinis. We actually did see these recently. There's so many crazy mods on them, but yeah, we're gonna have a closer look at them in another video. But yeah, Murciélagos, Diablos, Aventadors, everything. The RWB here. Goodness, that 599 sounds amazing. Yeah, matte military green. Check out the color. And actually, the entire interior is gutted out and painted red. Sick. Bucket seats in there. That is really, really cool. That's an all-time veteran move. Bringing the fold-out chair to the entrance of Daikoku, watching the cars roll in. Good man. I salute him. Nice 911. Alright guys, we got the Supercar squad rolling in. It's a Novatech and Largo F12. Tons of Lamborghinis. combo. Wow. And the Liberty Walk Murcielago here. I think that's it for the supercars. It's quite the traffic jam. I would go and make an assumption there's more Lamborghinis coming. And just behind the supercar parade, got this SVJ with the Earth Elemental looking paint job on it from the factory. Look at the pink and white Volkswagen van, man. Got the 48 Pista. Check it out, guys. Diablo GTR. This is a real one, too. Oh, man. Super clean R33. It almost looks like a Nismo S-Tune livery on it, but so cool. I hear police sirens too, so they're getting angry. To be fair, this was total chaos when all those supercars rolled in, so see if people get kicked out or not. I think they're getting kicked out of the truck stop, so I'm going to try and get through the crowd and see if we can maybe get some of the Lamborghinis leaving. Alright, let's try and reach up here. Through the crowd here, which is just insane. City with the Motocomp in the back. So yeah, this car from the 80s from Honda could actually be optioned with this tiny little pocket motorcycle that fits right into the trunk. So you can park it up, drive around the city. That is so cool. Haven't seen one before. Guys, check out these vans. Slam, they got the Bosozoku style splitters on them. The C63 Black Series. Weird pictures on these vans. There's a lot of them rolling in. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at that gold one. Oh, look at the Winnie the Pooh one. Holy. Oh, 6 exhaust pipes too. Okay guys, I promise to look at these Bosozoku vans. These humongous splitters, crazy paint jobs. Check it out. These huge exhaust pipes. This is crazy.
I guess they really like the scenery, huh?
Manny Amaro, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, look her up.
Like,
She's kind of a baiter, dude.
and like just under the girl, like a triple exhaust pipe. This is ridiculous. Okay, this is the truck converted one. It's called Beauty and the Beast. I'm gonna talk over this so I don't get demonetized from the music, but like he's got a whole bar, he's got a table back there, he's got some Beauty and the Beast statues. Of course, you got the glittery paint. And yeah, these rear splitters and diffusers that just stick out insanely far. That's the exhaust pipe, by the way, up top. Shaped like a star. Oh my god. This is insane. 400R. Some Skyline royalty there. Wow. Nice kit on this S15. White like that. Here, you get the gray Vantage GT8. So this is basically a road-going version of, I guess, be the Vantage GT4. Because yeah, the GT12 was sort of like a GT3 Aston Martin Vantage. But yeah, very track-focused, obviously. A little wider. Got their rear wing in the back. Yeah, the front splitter looks really good, actually. I've not seen one because we didn't get these in North America, so that's really cool. And I'd be crazy if I didn't get a quick clip of this pairing here. The old and the new Chargers. I believe it's a 68. It's got the circular taillights at the back. And you get the wide body 392 with a new Charger. Super sweet. There's actually quite a few of these floating around Japan, considering you can't actually buy them here. Well, there's no Dodge dealerships, but you can import anything here. Yeah, AFE power. Sick. Yeah, really cool. Flexing the engine side by side, the old and new Chargers. Not bad. There we go, the car with many, many names. Autek, Safiro, Zagato. Yeah, those are the mirrors sticking out of the hood. Those crazy raised mirrors on the hood. It's a crazy design. Nice V-Spec 2R34 as well. Sick. Little Mustang. We got the BMW Z1 with the drop-down doors. Of course, he's rolling with the doors down. Nice. That's a rare one. And not sure that's a real Z432R back there, but it's got the paint job. It still looks really good. Either way. Orange with the black. Nice. Check it out. Nice and clean R34. This is a V-Spec 2 Nurtune. So one of the top dogs in the R34 world. BBSs look really, really good on it. But there's a lot of Mines parts on it too, which is really what's sticking out to me. See this carbon fiber hood, front lip on it. Mine is like a legendary Skyline tuner. Probably familiar with their cars from old Gran Turismo and Forza games. But that is darn clean. Tons of R34s here. But this one is definitely sticking out. So check it out, guys. Just as we're about to leave Daikoku, I had to throw it in reverse and come back. We've got the orange Miura and the black Ferrari Daytona. So the pair of late 60s supercars. Pretty epic. The Miura is sort of like the original supercar, I guess I would say. So together, it's pretty cool to see both of them here at Daikoku, just hanging out. There's the back of the Daytona. Very nice. Yeah. Lowriders.
Sorry, Jack, I don't know where you want me to be.
Let's go. Hydraulics. All right. Hey guys, here comes the mirror and the Daytona combo. Alright, shifted gears, full day at Daikoku for the New Year's meet. It's pretty epic. Quick stop at Tatsumi before we go. More Lamborghinis. Main star of the show though, the ice cream vending machine. Always time for a Bing chilling. Get it out. There we go.
Salty ice.
The best part of Tatsumi right here, the Bing chilling machine. Alright, acquired the Bing chilling. Got the Lamborghinis, Murciélagos, it's the Amnesia team again. So yeah, overall successful New Year's gathering, guys, I would say. So, thanks for tuning in to 6 Cars again, as always. Stay tuned for more from Japan.